सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। ओम नमः पाणिनिकात्यायन पतंजलिभ्यः शब्द विद्या संप्रदाय कर्तृभ्यो वंश ऋषिभ्यो महद्भ्यो मुनिभ्यो गुरुभ्यः नमस्कार and welcome to our 245th class today, 19th of January. So as you know, Srinivas, we have been studying the Karmani Prayoga, passive construction in detail, from active to passive, passive to active we have not done, but active to passive only. Kartari Prayogatah Karmani Prayoge Parivartanam Bahuvaram Vayam Bahuni Vakyani अस्माभिः कृतानि सन्ति। इतोपि अधिकाः अभ्यासाः अत्र पुस्तके प्रदत्ताः सन्ति। तान् सर्वान् अपि अभ्यासान् कृत्वा कर्मणि प्रयोगे पटुत्वं वयं प्राप्नुमः इति तत्र आशयः। So we have to get hold in passive voice, passive construction in Sanskrit. With that intention, there are so many exercises given here, and we are going to do that. Go to 198 Abhyasa on page 454, Srinivas. Can read. Yathodaharanam karmani vakyani likata. Now again you have to convert the sentences given here in active voice into passive voice. Example 1, Udaharana, Bhaktaha namati. Bhaktena devaha namyante. So meaning part, if you may ask what is that, I don't think there is a lot of change in the sense when we convert a sentence from active to passive. But only thing is in passive construction object is highlighted, whereas in the active the subject is dominant here. Subject in the active becomes passive in Karmani Prayoga. That is why it is called Karmani Prayoga. Karma takes the, picks up the importance. Karma becomes subject, as we know already. So here, Bhaktena Devaha Namyante. Gods are worshipped by the devotee. A devotee worships God. In the first sentence, Bhaktaha Devan Namati, saluting. The devotee is saluting the gods. Gods are saluted or saluted by the devotee. Well, I made some observations, Srinivas, in the previous class, in the beginning also, that in the world languages there is no dvivachana, dual number. But I came to know that in Zenda Avesta language, there is a dual number available. They also say Latin is no more a language now, living. So Latin had dvivachana. Avesta, old Avesta, also has dvivachana, they say. It's okay, but I was making a statement that no other language in the world. So there's a correction there. So here we go. Srinivas, Guruhu Sishyan Pathayati.
Yeah. Guruna Shishyaha Pathyante.
So very simple. Each one you go by the rule that Guru, subject, put it in Trutiya, Guruna, Sishyan, Dvitiya Bahuvachana becomes Prathama Bahuvachana, Sishyaha, Pathayati, which is the verb, has to agree in the passive construction with the Sishya Shabda and not with the Guruhu. Here in the active, Guruhu Pathayati is the agreement. Subject and verb. Verb agreement is with the subject. Guruhu Pathayati. Kim Pathayati Guruhu? Pathan Pathayati. In the Karmani Prayoga, Guruhu, as you know, goes to Guruna, and Sishyaha become Prathama Bahuvachana, and therefore Sishyaha Pathyante. Pathyante. Students are taught by the teacher. Teacher teaches the student in the active sense. In the passive, students are taught by the teacher. Guruna Sishyaha Pathyante. Very good. Second. Archakaha Archakena Archyante. Archakaha Devan Archati. Worshipper, priest worships the gods. Gods are worshipped by the priest. Archakena, by the priest. Devaha, gods. Archyante, are worshipped. 3. Sikshakaha.
Balau
Ahvayati.
Shikshakena balau ahuyete.
Ahuyete. Because balau is dvivachana. Ahuyate. Ahuyate, ahuyete, ahuyante. Because of the dvivachana here. Sikshakena balau ahuyete. Or that is, 2 boys are called by the teacher. 2 boys are called by the teacher. Sikshakena. Right.
Nayakaha Sainikan Suchayati. Nayakena Sainikaha Suchyante.
Yes. Nayakaha Sainikan Suchayati. Leader, the commander, informs the soldiers. Soldiers are informed by the commander. Nayakena Sainikaha Suchyante. Suchyate, Suchyate, Suchyante. Like the above sentence, this Nayakan, Sainikan goes to Sainikaha, therefore Suchyante Bhagavachan. 5th. Aham tau pashyami.
Maya tau
Drushyete. Drushyete. Aham tau pashyami. I am seeing those 2 people. Pullinge in masculine gender tau. Aham tau pashyami. Aham goes to Tritiya as tvaya. Tau stands same tau because it goes to Prathama as tau only. And pashyami, drusha verb has to be used, given in the book. Drushyete. Tau drushyete. They both are seen by me. I see them both. They both are seen by me. 6. Vaidyaha.
Vaidyaha Rugnan Vadati. Vaidyena
Rugnaha Udyante. Udyante. So, Vaidyaha Rugnan Vadati. The doctor tells the patients. The doctor tells the patients. Patients are told by the doctor. Vaidyena Rugnaha Udyante. Rugnaha is plural. Therefore, the verb in passive Uda, starting with Vada becomes Uda. I told you the Samprasarana. Igyanaha Samprasarana Sutra is there. So, with that Udyante are told. And this is plural because Rugnaha is plural. Vaidyena Rugnaha Udyante. Right. Next.
Tvam balike pidayasi.
Yes.
Tvaya balike pidiyate.
Yes. Pidiyate. Now here total change in the verb agreement. This is second person example. Madhyama Purusha Tvam. Tvam pidayasi. Tvam balike pidayasi. How many girls are you troubling? You are troubling 2 girls. Tvam balike pidayasi. Tvam goes to Tritiya as tvaya. Balike is same in Dvivachana. Balika, balike, balikaha. Balikam, balike, balikaha. So, Dvitiya to Prathama, no change. Tvaya balike pidiyate, pidiyate, pidiyate. So, 2 number has to be derived. Pidiyate. 2 girls are harassed or troubled by you. You trouble 2 girls. 2 girls are troubled by you. 8. Krishna.
Krishna gopihi anugruhnati. Krishnena gopyaha anugruhyante.
Anugruhyante. Gopyaha. Yes. Krishna is Prathama, goes to Tritiya as Krishnena. Gopi, Gopyau, Gopyaha. How is Gopi derived? Srinivas, like Nadi. Ikaranta Strilinga Shabda. Therefore, Nadyaha, Gopyaha. Gopihi, Dvitiya Bhagavachana goes to Prathama Bhagavachana. Gopyaha. Anugruhyante. Anugruha is given. Yante added up. Anugruhyante. That means Gopikas are favored by Krishna. Gopis are favored by Krishna. 9. Mata, Mala.
Mala te preshayati.
So there is one direction given here. Te dvivachana. What is dvivachana? It can be confused to be bahuvachana of Pullinga. Pullinga. Therefore, the book is giving Dvivachana. Mala te preshayati.
Malaya te preshyate.
So here Mala is a lady here, not to be confused for garland. Mala iti kasyachit mahilayah namadheyam. Kasyachit striyah namadheyam. Mala iti. Mala te, you both. They both, no, here not they. They both, Dvivachana, preshayati. Mala is sending them. Mala iti kachit mahila te kanye preshayati. She is sending those two females. Mala is sending those two females. Malaya te as standing same. Preshyate. Preshyate, preshyate. Preshyate. So Malaya te preshyate. They are sent by Mala. They both are sent by Mala. 10. Ramakantaha.
Ramakantaha Chhatran
Abhinandati.
Ramakantena Chhatraha
Abhinandyante. Yes. Ramakantena Chhatraha Abhinandyante. Ramakant is congratulating the students, wishing the students. The students are congratulated by Ramakant. Ramakantena Chhatraha Abhinandyante. Fine. 11. Gautami.
Gautami Karyani Karoti.
Yes. Gautamya Karyani same. Kriyante. So another lady's name here is Gautami does her works. Understood her. Gautami Karyani Karoti. Gautamya. Gautami is like Nadi. Nadya. Gautamya Karyani from Dvitiya to Prathama go same way. Karyani Kriyante. Kriyate, kriyete, kriyante, kriyante. Kim kriyante, kani kriyante, karyani kriyante. Kaya kriyante, Gautamya kriyante. So Gautami karyani karoti, Gautamya karyani kriyante. Works are done by Gautami. 12. Prakashaha.
Prakashaha patrani anayati.
Prakashena.
Patrani aniyante.
Yes. Prakashena patrani aniyante. Anayati. Prakash brings the letters. Letters are brought by Prakash. Prakashena patrani aniyante. 13.
Narayana granthau nayati. Narayanena granthau niyete.
But in the answer book, I made an observation here. Narayanena grantaha it is given. Niyante. Plural is given in the answer book. So as per this version, Granthau are 2 books, but answer book is giving plural. So you go by the book and answer book is a mistake. We should take it. So what you have done is correct. Narayanena Granthau Niyete. Not Niyante. In the book Grantha Niyante is there. That version is also correct. If this were Narayana Granthan, this should have been Granthan Dvitiya Bhavachan Nayati. Narayana is carrying the books. 2 books here. Books here. So 2 books are carried by Narayana. Narayanena Grantau Niyate. Niyate, Niyate, Niyante. So that small correction they have to make. 14. Pratima.
Pratima Syutan
Sthapayati. Another lady's name here. Yeah. Pratima. Syutan Sthapayati. Placing the bags somewhere.
Pratimaya
Syutaha Sthapyante. Pratimaya, by Pratima, Syutaha, the bags, Sthapyante are kept. The bags are kept by Pratima. Pratima keeps the bags. So Syutaha Pratama Bahuvachana, Sthapyante verb going with Syutaha. 15. Sita.
Sita Kavite Pathati.
Yes.
Sitaya Kavite Pathyete.
Yes. Sita Kavite Pathati. Sita is reading 2 poems here. Kavita Kavite Kavitaha. Kavitam Kavite Kavitaha. But here it is Dvitiya Dvivachana Kavite and it is same in Prathama Dvivachana Kavite. Sitaya, by Sita, Kavite, 2 poems, Patyete, Patyete. 2 poems are read by Sita. 16. Rama.
Rama Padye Likhati.
Same way it is.
Ramaya Padye
Likhyete. Rama is another name of a lady here. Rama Padye Likhati. Rama is writing 2 poems. Kavita is poetry. Padya is her sloka, stanzas. So Rama is writing 2 poems. Ramaya, like Sitaya, Ramaya Padye, Padyam Padye. This is Napumsakalinga. See, you have to make a recall here. A Napumsakalinga Shabda and a Strilinga Shabda are sounding same in Vivachana. Kavite, see Kavite, isn't it? Kavita, Kavite. Padyam, Padye. A Napumsakalinga Shabda also is sounding the same in the Dvitiya Vivachana, irrespective of its ending. This Kavita is Akaranta Strilinga Shabda. What is Padya Shabda? Akaranta Napumsakalinga Shabda. Padyam, Padye, Padyani. Vanam, Vane, Vanani, like. So, Vane, Padyam, Padye, Vanam, Vane, Kavita, Kavite. So, Ramaya, Padye, Likhyete. 2 poems are written by Rama. 17. Mahila.
Mahila Shatikaha Prakshalayati.
Yeah.
Mahilaya
Shatikaha stands same.
Prakshalyante.
Yes. Prakshalyante. Mahilaya. Mahila is a woman in general. Mahilaya by a lady. Shatikaha, which is Dvitiya Dvivachana, Bahuvachana, goes to Prathama Bahuvachana. As it is, it goes. Shatikaha Prakshalyante. Saris are washed by a lady. A lady washes saris. Saris are washed by lady. So, Mahilaya Shatikaha Prakshalyante. 18. Sevika.
Sevika Praposthau Marjayati.
Yes.
Sevikaya Praposthau Marjayete.
Marjyete. Marjyete. You can join yete. Marjyete. Sevikaya. Sevika is a maid servant. Sevikaya, by a maid servant. Prakostau, rooms. How many rooms? 2 rooms. Prakostaha, Prakostau, Prakostaha. This is a Pullinga Shabda, Srinivas. Prakosta Shabda is Pullinga. Prakostaha, a room. Prakostau, 2 rooms. Prakostau, Prakshalayati. So, maid servant is cleaning the 2 rooms. 2 rooms are cleaned by a maid servant. Sevikaya, Prakostau, Marjyete. Marjyete. 19. Swami.
Swami Sevakan Nindati.
Swamina.
Swamina Sevakaha
Nindyante. So, Swami is a Swamin Shabda, Nakaranta. Like Gunin, Gunina. Guni, Guninau, Guninaha. Swami, Swaminau, Swamina. So, Swami, in Dvitiya, Swaminam, Swaminau, Swaminaha. Swamina, Trutiya Ekavachana. Swami to Prathama to Trutiya. Swamina. Sevakan becomes Sevakaha. Nindyante. So, servants are accused by the master. Servants are abused by the master. Swamina, by the master. Sevakaha Nindyante. And the 21.
Balakaha Nagarani Pashyati.
Balakena.
Nagarani Drushyante.
Yes. Balakaha Nagarani Pashyati. Boy sees the cities. Cities are seen by the boy. Balakena Nagarani Drushyante. So this is how we have done more into passive construction here. Next exercise is coming from active to passive also. So what do we have to take up? Writing. 20 are there, so we can't proceed without writing. Exercise 198. Yes, sir.
First one, sir. Guruna Shishyaha Padhyante.
No, no. Verb accommodation, places. This pen, if you pause, it is breaking. Yes. 2.
अर्चकेन देवाः अर्चकेन
Deva archante.
अर्चकेन अर्च्यन्ते
No, it's wrapping. Today, sometimes you have to arichanti, right?
शिक्षकेन
Yes, shikshakena
बालो
patyate
आहूयेते
ahu. Yes, for
आहूर् आहूस
ahu, yes.
नायकेन
Nayakena
सैनिकाः सूच्यन्ते मया
maya
तौ
tau
दृश्येते
yes.
वैद्येन रुग्णाः उद्दीयन्ते
Yes, 7.
त्वया
Tvaya
बालिके
tvaya balike
पीड्येते कृष्णेन
krishnena
गोप्यः
gopyah
अनुगृह्यन्ते मालया
malaya
ते
te
प्रेष्येते रमाकान्तेन छात्राः
छात्राः
अभिनन्द्यन्ते
yes 11
गौतम्या
गौतम्या
कार्याणि
कार्याणि
क्रियन्ते
क्रियन्ते
प्रकाशेन
प्रकाशेन
पत्राणि आनीयन्ते। नारायणेन ग्रन्थो।
So here I said the book gives plural. We have ni. Niyate. So in the book it is given answer book Granthaha Niyante. We are going by the book only. Right.
Pratimaya
Pratimaya
स्यूताः
Syutaha
स्थाप्यन्ते।
Stapyante. Right.
सीतया
Sitaya
कविते पठ्येते। रमया पद्ये लिख्येते। You can write both ways, padye.
this way. Yeah. You also write. I have purposely written Halant. 7.
Mahilaya
The other way of writing is, I'll show it. This one, na?
Mahilaya Shatika Rakshanyante। सेविकया प्रकोष्ठौ मार्ज्येते।
This is Mahaprana or Alpaprana?
महाप्राण
Kostau. This one?
प्रकोष्ठौ मार्ज्येते। स्वामिना सेवकाः निन्द्यन्ते। बालकेन
Palakena
नगराणि दृश्यन्ते।
So only verbs I will read before we go to the next abhyasa. Patyate, patyante, archante, ahuyete, suchyante, drushyete, udyante, pidiyete, anugruhyante, preshyete, abhinandyante, kriyante, aniyante, niyete, sthapyante, patyete, likhyete, prakshalyante, prakostau, marjyete, nindyante and drishyante. Let it be there for some time, then we will go to Abhyasa 199. Srinivas. Manjushayam pradattanam dhatu rupanam adharena kartari vidyamanam prayogam karmani parivartayat. Now you change the active voice usage into passive voice on the basis of the verbal forms given in the box. Okay, all are given, you have to pick up. Active voice verb is there, passive voice verb is also there. So just pairs are given. For example, pibati becomes in passive piyati. Krinati buys becomes kriyati. Chinoti selects becomes chiyati. Dadati becomes diyati. Janati becomes gnayati. Ahvayati becomes ahuyati. Nayati niyati. Grikhnati grikhyati. Karoti kriyati. Vakti uchyati. Swapiti supyati. Swapiti means sleeps. Vakti means speaks. Vapati sowing seed. Vapati upyati. Vasati ushyati. So these are the changes. Where va is there, it becomes u. You can observe that sampasarana. So pick up this and then do this. This is relatively easy one. Balaha kshiram pibati, for example. Balaha balena kshiram kshiram. Pibati becomes piyate, which is there in the top. Yes, you can take the next one.
Lataya vastram krinati. Lataya vastram kriyati.
Now in the book, plural is given. I don't know why it is given plural. What is the exercise? 99. Yeah, vastrani is given. In the answer book, vastrani kriyante is given. Whereas the book is saying ekavachana. We'll go by the book. What is the answer given here?
Lataya vastram kriyati.
No. In the list, what verb is given?
The krinati kriyati.
Krinati. Oh, then we take only that. Yes, kriyati. So, lataya vastram kriyati. This is the passive construction of lata vastram krinati. Lata buys a cloth. A cloth is bought by lata. Lataya vastram kriyati. You can just check up in the second verb. Krinati kriyati. Third one.
Chhatraha vishayam janati.
Second one, sorry. Chhatraha vishayam janati. Chatrena Vishayaha. Vishaya is pulling a shabda. And then, yes, Janati is becoming Gnayate in the top list. So, Chhatraha Vishayam Janati. Chatrena Vishayaha Gnayate. That means, in the active sense, a student knows the subject. A student knows the subject. The subject is known by the student. Chatrena Vishayaha Gnayate. Gnayate means is known by the student, the subject. 3.
Sudha pushpani chinoti. Sudhaya pushpani
Chiyante. Sudha is a name of a girl. Pushpani, flowers. Chinoti, collects. Sudha is collecting the flowers. Sudhaya, by Sudha. Pushpani, the flowers. Chiyante. Chinoti is become Chiyate is there, na? But here it has to be plural. Chiyante. Singular is given there. You have to convert into plural. So, Sudhaya Pushpani Chiyante. 4. Sishyaha.
Shishyaha syutam nayati.
Sishyena.
Syutaha.
Yes, Syuta Shabda is Pullinga. Sishyena Syutaha Niyate. Sishyena Syutaha niyate. The student is carrying a bag, active sense. Shishyaha, a student. Syutam, a bag is carrying. A bag is carried by the student. Shishyena Syutaha niyate. Nayati niyate. 5. Mahila.
Mahila shatikam krinati. Mahilaya shatikaha.
Shaha, shatika. Strilinga.
Shatika
Kriyate. It is singular. Therefore, Mahilaya, by a lady. Shatika, a sari. Kriyate is bought. A lady is buying a sari. A sari is bought by the lady. So, Mahilaya shatika kriyate. This is the second verb given in the book. Kriyate. And coming second time also. 6. Ravihi.
Ravihi jalam pibati.
Yes.
Ravina jalam piyate.
First verb given in the box. Ravina, by Ravi. Jalam piyate. Ravi drinks water. Water is drunk by Ravi. Ravina jalam piyati. Ravi's name here, common. It could also be sun, doesn't matter. Sun drinks the water by way of evaporation, you can say. 7. Kavihi.
Vicharan sangruhnati. Kavina vicharaha. Sangruhyante. So kavihi vicharan sangruhnati means a poet gathers the thoughts. A poet is gathering the thoughts. Kavina vicharaha sangruhyante. 8. Bhimaha is the verb given, Srinivas? Gruhyate is there, like that is sangruhyate. Sangruhyante. Bhimaha pustakani krinati.
Yes.
Bhimena pustakani
Kriyante. Bhima buys books. Bhima is name of a person here. Bhimena, by Bhima. Pustakani goes to Prathama as it is. Pustakani kriyante. Books are bought by Bhima. 9. Aham.
Vastuni nayami.
Maya vastuni niyante. Yes, niyante. So this is the second line, first verb given in there. Maya, aham goes to Trutiya as Maya. Vastuni stands same. Vastuni niyante. The things are taken by me. Articles are taken by me. I take the articles. Articles are taken by me. 10. Dhanikaha. Dhanam.
Dhanam dadati.
Yes.
Dhanikena.
Dhanam diyate. Diyate. Dadati diyate. So dhanikena, by the rich person. Dhanam, the money. Diyate is given. Money is given by the rich person. Dhanikena dhanam diyate. 11. Balakaha.
Karyam karoti.
Yes, balakena.
Karyaha.
No, karyam is napumsa. Karyam kriyate. Karoti becomes kriyate. Balakena karyam kriyate. Balakena karyam kriyate. An act is done by the student. I mean by a boy.
Karyam is napumsa.
Napum. Karyam karye karyani.
Karyakramam is
Karyakramaha is different. Pullinga. 12. Sachivaha.
Sachivaha bhashanam janati.
Sachivena
bhashanam
jnayate. Janati, where is it given? Yes. First line. Janati becomes jnayate. Sachivaha bhashanam janati. A minister knows speaking. Speaking is known by the minister. Sachivena bhashanam jnayate. 13. Gita.
Gita shakam nayati.
Here Gita stands for a name of a person, not Bhagavad Gita. Gita Shakam Nayati. A girl by name Gita takes the vegetable. Shakam Nayati is taking the vegetable. Gitaya.
Shakam niyate.
Shaka Shabda, I think, is Pullinga. What is this number? 13. Shakam. Yeah, Shakani. Yeah. Napumsaka only. Shaka haraha is pulling again, as you have a doubt. So Gitaya Shakam niyate. Vegetable is carried by Gita. 14. Te
Pustakani svikurvanti.
They are taking the books. Taihi Pustakani svikriyante. Kurvanti becomes kriyante, svikriyante. Books are accepted by them. Taihi pustakani svikriyante. Yes. 15. Malakari.
Malakari pushpani chinoti. Malakarina.
No. Malakarya.
Malakarya.
Gauri Shabda like this is Nadi, Nadya. Malakarya.
Pushpani chiyante.
Pushpani chiyante. Malakarya pushpani chiyante means flowers are collected by the garden lady gardener, by the lady gardener. Malakari. Malakaraha are a flower weaver, female flower weaver, florist. Malakarya pushpani chiyante are collected. Right. 16. Sainikaha sainikena yuddham gnayate. Yuddham is napumsaka. Yuddham yuddhe yuddhani. Sainikena yuddham gnayate. 17. Manu
phalarasam pibati.
Again here Manu is not a Manu Dharmashastra writer, but Manu is the name of a person here.
Manuna
yes.
phalarasam
Piyati. Manuna phalarasam. Phalarasaha Srinivas. Rasa Shabda is Pullinga.
Phalarasaha piyati.
What is this number?
17.
Yes, it is Pullinga, correctly given in the book also. Manuna phalarasaha piyate. And the next one, Sishuhu.
Sishuhu chalanam na janati.
Sishuna chalanam na gnayate. Sishuna chalanam na gnayate. The child does not know walking. Walking is not known by the child. Sishuna chalanam na gnayate. 19.
Radha shatikam nayati. Radhaya shatika niyate.
Shatika niyate. Yes, Radhaya shatika niyate. Radha takes a sari. A sari is taken by Radha. Radhaya shatika niyate. And the last one.
Shikshika
Lekhanim
krinati.
Sikshikaya Lekhani kriyate. Sikshikaya lekhani kriyate. Krinati becomes kriyate. So this is how I think, if I orally repeat, will it be okay? It should be okay, because answers are there in the book. So let them work out. I am repeating from 1. Lataya vastram kriyate. There is a mistake in the answer book, please correct that. Chhatrena 2 Vishayah Gnayate. 3. Sudhaya Pushpani Chiyante. 4. Sishyena Syutaha Niyate. Sishyena Syutaha Niyate. 5. Mahilaya Shatika Kriyate. I repeat, Mahilaya Shatika Kriyate. 6. Ravina Jalam Piyate. Ravina Jalam Piyate. 7. Kavina, like Ravina, Kavina. Vicharaha Sangrahyante. Samgruhyante. This is to be taken as Gruhyate, which is given as the clue verb here. In the line, what line? Gruhyate is given? Second line. So, that is it. Bhimaha 8th one. Pustakani krinati. Bhimena pustakani kriyante. 9. Aham vastuni nayami. Maya vastuni niyante. 10. Dhanikaha dhanam dadati. Dhanikena dhanam diyate. Dhanikena dhanam diyate. 11. Balakaha karyam karoti. Balakena karyam stands same. Kriyate. Karyam kriyate. 12. Sachivena bhashanam gnayate. 13. Gitaya shakam niyate. Gita shakam niyate becomes Gitaya shakam niyate. 14. ते पुस्तकानि स्वीकुर्वन्ति become तैः पुस्तकानि स्वीक्रियन्ते स्वीक्रियन्ते तैः पुस्तकानि स्वीक्रियन्ते 15 मालाकार्या मालाकार्या पुष्पाणि चीयन्ते चीयन्ते 16 सैनिकः युद्धं जानाति become सैनिकेन युद्धं ज्ञायते ज्ञायते which is there look up 17 मनुः फलरसं पिबति मनुना फलरसः पीयते मनुना फलरसः पीयते 18 शिशुना चलनं न ज्ञायते शिशुना चलनं न ज्ञायते राधा becomes राधया शाटिका नीयते राधया शाटिका नीयते and the last one शिक्षिकया लेखनी क्रियते शिक्षिकया लेखनी क्रियते these are the answers you please watch into the page and you can do it I am confident over to abhyasa 200 and in this abhyasa 200 mistaken words are given you have to think of the correct answer adho निर्दिष्टेषु वाक्येषु क्रियापदं संशोध्य लिखत you correct and write the form for example बालैः पाठः what is given you have to look behind the cross patyante is wrong because pata is singular ekavachanam atah बालैः पाठः patyate iti bhavati this patyate what is written in the Srinivas in the book can be written with patha with halanta tha with halanta stroke down neither stroke ya completely written out can also be written so first one chhatraihi grantah likhyante is wrong all are wrong there likhyate so chhatraihi grantah likhyate now in this exercise you are only to recall the verb everything is given the first two words are correct the third one is mistakenly given so chatrena oh you have to change it now chatraihi is given already chatraihi grantah likhyate right 2 mitraihi
varta
patyate very simple now mitraihi varta patyate now I have to tell the meaning chatraihi grantah likhyate means a book is written by the students write the book this is the passive only second one is mitraihi varta patyate means news is read by the friends a news item is read by the friend third Srinivas
balakaihi shlokah
uchyate a sloka is recited by the boys a poem is recited by the boys balakaihi slokah uchyate 4
महिलाभिः पाकः क्रियते
yes महिलाभिः पाकः क्रियते cooking pakah means a cooking is done by women or some pudding is done by the women महिलाभिः पाकः क्रियते 5
युवकैः सेवका क्रियते
युवकैः सेवा क्रियते सेवा युवकैः सेवा क्रियते service is done by the young fellows young chaps yuvakaihi seva kriyate is the correct verb 6
कर्मकरैः कार्यं क्रियते
कर्मकरैहि karyam singular therefore kriyate work is done by the workers कर्मकरैहि karyam kriyate 8 7 balakaihi
जलं
piyate balakaihi jalam piyate water is drunk by the boys balakaihi jalam piyate is drunk water is drunk by the boys 8 jananya
भोजनं पच्यते
jananya bhojanam pachyate food is cooked by mother jananya by the mother bhojanam food pachyate is cooked food is cooked by mother yes bhojanam is napumsaka 9
शिक्षकेण पाठाः पठ्येते
patyante so pataha plural na therefore shikshakena pathaha patyante, patyante. 10.
जनैः उपदेशः श्रूयते.
Janaihi upadeshaha shruyate. Instruction is heard by the people. We stop here to take up Subhashita. 10. Janaihi upadeshaha shruyate. Shruyate will be the answer. We stop here. So you can open the Subhashita Srinivas.
Yes. We completed 4.
4 we have completed.
5th one.
5th one you can read.
यथा चतुर्भिः कनकं परीक्ष्यते
निघर्षण छेदन
तापताडनैः
तथा
चतुर्भिः पुरुषः परीक्ष्यते त्यागेन शीलेन गुणेन कर्मणा.
So here is an example procedure given how to judge the character, how to judge the character of a person. Like we test the purity of gold. How is the purity of gold tested is given in the first line. Yatha is an avyaya, you know. Yatha means an avyaya. Chaturbihi, chaturbihi prakaraihi. Chaturbihi prakaraihi. By 4 methods. Kanakam suvarnam parikshyate. This is passive construction. Yatha kanakam chaturbihi prakaraihi parikshyate. Just as the gold is examined, parikshyate, examined, tested by 4 ways. Chaturbihi, here is prakaraihi. What are the kete prakaraha chaturvidha prakaraha iti ukte tyagena. Ekaha prakaraha tyagaha. Tyagena. First thing.
Kanakam parikshate.
Yeah, kanakam. Yatha chaturbihi prakaraihi kanakam parikshyate. Gold is examined, tested by 4 methods. So what is the first method?
Nigarshana. Chedana.
That is what we are going. Nigharshana, rubbing. Like a goldsmith takes the gold and rubs on the a special stone to know the purity of gold. Nigharshana, that is rubbing against. Chedana, by cutting. Chedana is by cutting the gold. Tapana, by heating it up, by heating the gold so that the alloy will be separated. Tapana. Tadana, by beating the gold. After heating, you will beat. So how is gold tested? By rubbing, by cutting, by heating and by beating. These are the 4 methods by which kanakam parikshyate chaturbihi prakaraihi. Kanakam suvarnam parikshyate swarnakarena. Tatha, in the similar manner, yatha tatha chaturbihi prakaraihi, by 4 methods, purushaha parikshyate. Purushaha api parikshyate. Kena prakarena tyagena. By looking at the quality of charity in him, the charitable quality in a person. Tyagena. Then Silena, by watching his character. Silena. Gunena, by his positive qualities. What are the positive qualities in him? And Karmana, by his action. So man is also tested by 4 methods, namely by charity, by his behavior, you can say. Shila is behavior, by his character. Gunena, because character encompasses all this behavior. Guna, by his qualities, positive qualities, and by his action. So here is something. Parikshyate, some poem where you have some method of testing both gold and Purusha. So Parikshyate is, passive. Kanakam parikshyate purushaha Parikshati. You can take the next one.
गुणेषु
यत्नः
क्रियतां
किमाटोपैः प्रयोजनम्
विक्रियन्तेन
गावः
घण्टाभिर्गावः
क्षीरविवर्जिताः. Now here is a poem which tells you don't make a fuss or show of your show to market yourself. Unless and until, who do the marketing? Only those people indulge in marketing whose products are not worth. If your products have the worth, you don't have to make a marketing. That is what the poem says. For example, Guneshu yatnah kriyatam, make kriyatam, try to make an effort to acquire good qualities, merits. Guneshu, towards the guna, acquisition of guna, quality, yatnah prayatnah kriyatam, let there be an effort made towards acquiring the good qualities. Kim atopaihi, atopaihi means show off, prayojanam. Atopaihi pradarsanena kim prayojanam. Why do you make a fuss and show of things? Try to get at the skill or the quality. First maintain the quality. Automatically your product or yourself will be, you yourself can market yourself if you have the skill. So one is in a suit boot, but when he comes for interview he cannot answer anything. What is the use of putting on a good dress and not able to answer anything properly? So atopa means show. Kim atopaihi prayojanam. What is the use of making a show? Try to get good qualities, skills. Second line gives an example. Vikriyante na ghantabhihi gavaha na vikriyante. Gavaha, gauhu gavau gavaha. Cows are not sold being tied with bells around their neck. Those cows which are no more giving milk. Kshira vivarjitaha, kshira rahitaha, dugdha rahitaha gavaha gantavihi na vikriyanti. Cows which cannot give milk are not sold in the market by tying bells. What if the cows are tied bells around their necks? Will people take? They will ask how much milk does she give? How much milk they produce? That is important, not the gantas, not the bells around the neck. So don't make a show, try to get at the quality, skill. That is what the poem suggests. So vikriyante is passive, yes, vikrinati, we have just studied verb. Krinati, krinitah, krinanti. Vikriyante na, not sold, gavaha, that is the subject. Gavaha na vikriyante, cows are not sold, ganthabihi, with the bells around them. What type of cows? Kidrushaha, kidrushyaha gavaha, kshira vivarjitaha gavaha, dugdha vivarjitaha, rahitaha. Vivarjitaha means rahitaha gavaha. Cows, yes, which have no more capacity to give milk, which are not milch cows. What we say, milch cows, barren cows, you can say. Now what is the use of barren cows if they are tied with bells, and if they are sold, nobody will take. In the same way, guneshu yatnah kriyatam kim atopaihi prayojanam. Atopaihi kimapi na prayojanam nasti gunaha tatra praptavyaha iti. So, okay? Shubham bhuyat.